Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can connect this controller or the 8BitDo Ultimate 2 controller to your mobile devices. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the back of your controller, and basically from here you will be able to see this 2.4 gigahertz connection and the Bluetooth connection. So what you want to do is to just make sure that it is switched to the Bluetooth icon, which will then allow us to pair it using the Bluetooth technology with our mobile devices. So right after, let's head over to the front of our controller, and you want to press this for at least 3 seconds. That will allow us to enter the pairing mode for Bluetooth. Or you could just basically press this and it will flash us like this one. Now, what this means is that all you have to do is to navigate through the Bluetooth connectivity of your mobile devices, look for the 8BitDo controller or the Ultimate Pro controller, and from there basically you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.